Xi'an Xingshan Resource Recovery Tower integrates deep precipitation and multi-stage multi-layer air floating techniques together. It can realize the classification and collection of pulp and filler, and has high reuse rate. SS in the outlet water can be less than 30 ppm. The equipment has small footprint and fewer transmission parts. The power consumption and chemical consumption per ton of water is very low. For the 3 types of suspended solids in water: tiny particles, fine fibers, colloidal substances, it can remove through polymerization. The tiny fibers suspended in the water are captured by a large number of micro-nano bubbles released by the equipment, and to be gathered together under the action of bubbles and float to the surface. Tiny particles collide in eddy currents, carrying different charges, and aggregate together to form large flock. Colloidal substances and chemicals residual in the water polymerize to form substance that is easy to precipitate or float under the action of solution remover. When the equipment runs, white water enters into the vortex mixer. The suspended matters in the water and the dissolved matter remover are fully mixed in the eddy current state. Reaction occurs in the mixing zone, air floating zone and settling zone of the equipment. In subsidence area, flocks of small particles sink rapidly. In reaction zone, gels and chemical residues are polymerized. In air flotation zone, flocks of tiny fibers float to the surface under the action of high-density micro-nano bubbles. The intelligent collection system starts. Scum is discharged. The clean water is with low SS and low turbidity, and can be fully recycled used for production. Equipped with online water quality monitoring, it can be fully intelligent operated.